Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can reset WooCommerce, so let's get right into it. Now, because I don't have money for a subscription on WordPress, I do not have access to WooCommerce. This is exactly why I'll be using this article on Woostify, which does have concise steps and easy to follow steps, which I'll go over with you so that you can better understand how you can reset it. Usually it just comes down to deleting the data in the plugin and then reinstalling it again, and that is done relatively simply, so let's get into it right away. Now what you're going to want to do for the first method is to just quickly uninstall it, and you can just remove the WooCommerce plugin. You just need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, then select plugins, type WooCommerce, and once you find it, just click deactivate, and that should be it. However, when you want to delete it permanently, it does leave behind a lot of data, so you might want to clear that out before you do anything else or deactivate it further. Now you can also uninstall WooCommerce just by going to wp-config.php through FTP or file manager, and just add this line towards the bottom, and then you just need to save the file to the server, press deactivate to remove it, and you can go back and remove the above code from the wp-config file. Now that is the quick way. You can also delete it manually. You just need to clear the data. You just go to products or anything under WooCommerce, any list, any data that you have, just go ahead and delete it. Just make bulk operations and delete them all, and that should be it. And once you do delete them, then you need to delete the customer details as well. Just go into users and delete in the bulk options as well, and then you can just delete the WooCommerce plugin from the dashboard. Again, go to plugins, search for the plugin for WooCommerce, click deactivate, and then press delete to eliminate the plugin from your site. Then you can also get rid of custom fields with cPanel or other services if you want. You can drop database tables if you want to in PHP MyAdmin, etc., etc. But pretty much once you're done, WooCommerce will be uninstalled. Then just reinstall the plugin, go into plugins, search for WooCommerce, install now, and activate now, and that should be all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.